Hi, environmental studies students. This video is to help you understand how to do the carbon cycle simulation in case you missed that class. So this, let's see, this is on module, module 38. This was Monday, November 16th. So we're right here at the carbon cycle simulation. And the first thing you need to do is copy this travel log, okay? So what we're doing is we're simulating how carbon travels through the carbon cycle during two time periods. First is pre-1750. So remember, 1750 is when the Industrial Revolution started. That's when we started using coal and other fossil fuels as fuel and burning them for factories and industry and transportation. So then our second run will be post 1750, which is when we're doing all of that for fuel, and it's modern times as well as all the way back to 1750. So we're going to compare the way the carbon cycle was back then and the way it is now. And we're going to do that by traveling along as if we were a single atom of carbon, going to all the different places where you can find carbon in nature. So you need to click on this dice because carbon doesn't choose where it's going to go. Things happen to it randomly, so that's what we're using the dice to represent. So I got a 5, and here 5 represents deep ocean. Okay, so I need to record it first. So that's my starting spot. And now I'm going to click on deep ocean, and here's the deep ocean station, and you'll notice 3 out of the 6 say to stay here. So that's to represent the fact that carbon can hang around in one place for a very long time, or it can move. So let's see what I get. I got a 3, and that is go to ocean surface. So I'm going to write down ocean surface, and then I'm going to click ocean surface. Now if I were to get stay here, I would write down the same station, and I would keep rolling, and I'm not going to cheat because that influences the data. Okay, so I just got a 1 that says marine life. Okay, so hopefully you get the idea. I'm going to do this 10 times, and then I'm going to total up how many times on this side did I visit the station fossil fuels, and how many times did I go to the station atmosphere. And now I'm going to do the post 1750. So to do that, I can just click forward until I see this slide. All right, so it starts the same way. I'm just going to roll the dice to determine where I start. And I'm starting at ocean sediment, and I'm going to do the exact same thing I did in the first side, except I'm starting from a different screen, and my options will be a little bit different because the humans using fossil fuels has altered many stations and the way that they work. All right, so once you're finished with this and you have it completely filled out, here's what I'd like you to do. I'm going to have you, if you missed that class, I'm just going to have you put this into your submission here, and that will count as your 10 points for doing this activity. And then you're going to click next. And there is a summary question, so I want you to look at your own results. So you should look at the number of visits to the fossil fuels that you got, the number of visits to the atmosphere, and then how it changed over here. And I want you to just use that to answer this question. So there's one question here, a summary question. How was the carbon cycle different before and after 1750, and why? And please remember to use words such as the Industrial Revolution, and especially fossil fuels and atmosphere. All right, good luck.